What you doing, Dave?
Pulling my hair out. I guess I'm about done.
Yeah.
There's some coolant lines that have rust on them. And I'm trying to, as you can see right here, I want to scrape off all the rust and put a rust inhibitor on them and paint them. I don't need anything rusting out. So I just wire brushing them.
You're a good truck owner, Dave. Okay, Dave?
Yeah.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
Would you like some safety glasses for all that nice rust flickering off of there?
I was thinking about that myself.
I'll go get them for you.
All right.
We're Dave and Karen from Wax on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 Can-Am motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video.
While I'm down here, I might as well grease the kingpins and the ball joints and everything else that goes with this thing. Looking pretty ugly. Yeah.
Basically just some general maintenance, huh?
Yeah, a little here and there. Might want to grease that while I'm here too.
What are you looking at?
My adjusters. Brake adjusters. In the meantime,
with your safety glasses on.
With my safety glasses on.
What are you going to use on it for the rust inhibitor?
Loctite rust inhibitor. You spray it on, let it dry, and then you paint it. It's going to be quite a scraping process. Pretty ugly.
What you trying to do now?
Trying to get out this piece of plastic here so I can get up in there. These should come out. They're pretty clean.
Give you a little bit more room to play in there.
That one broke, so I have to put a big washer behind that.
Well, it definitely gives you more room to scrape.
All down through the back side of here, which I really can't get to, but I'd like to. What I'd like to do is take this off and that shock. But I don't know if I really want to get into all that.
Oh, yeah.
But that'd be the only way to really get in there and clean that up.
That's a dirty job, but somebody's got to do it.
Oh, damn, that's cold. Shit.
You're bleeding, too.
Okay.
Get your face. And your arm's bleeding.
Yeah,
Always tell when you're working.
Everything's bleeding.
Oh, man, look at that on top of your head. That'll cool you down, though. Get your neck. The back of your neck. Probably feel good to cool you off too. That's your head's fine. Yeah, get your face.
How's that?
Let me see your face. Better. You got some black stuff in your left eye right here. Which means you didn't have your glasses on, huh?
That's going everywhere.
That is going everywhere. Well, look at your arm. Jeez. You always bleed when you work.
Always.
So you're getting serious here. What are you doing?
Taking out that shock absorber. I got the top one out. The bottom one seems to be a little tricky. So, I ain't doing shit.
How's those shocks doing?
Well, not so good.
They shouldn't move that easily.
They're pretty worn. They shouldn't move that easy.
Well, it looks like you're going to put new shocks on now.
Yeah.
Is that something you can do?
Yeah.
Sounds like another video.
That's another video for another day.
So you're done scraping all this, huh?
Yeah.
Couldn't get that shock out of there, huh?
No.
So show me what you're going to use on this.
Loctite extended rust neutralizer.
Body, frame, rims, hitches. So what's it do? Just stops the rust?
Yeah.
And you let it dry for what, 24 hours before you paint over top of it?
Yep.
Is that good for high heat?
It says 120 degrees.
Uh-oh.
We're going to find out, aren't we?
Mm-hmm. Is it actually just like putting a coating on it, or do you have to rub it off or anything?
Nope. You just spray it on.
Gotta get all sides of it, don't you?
Yeah. I got to put 2 coats on, so.
Oh, you gotta wait for that to dry a little bit?
Yeah, 20 minutes.
20 minutes and then put a second coat on, huh?
Right. Can you pull this and hold it? Pull it.
You done?
I guess.
Okay. Then another coat in 20 minutes?
About that. See how it's all turning black?
Uh-huh.
That's how it's supposed to be.
Makes a rust stop, huh?
Yeah. You can see that it's kind of black around where the rust was and all that. And so now I'm getting ready to paint it. And I put 2 coats of the converter on. That's what they said to put on. And it's all sealed now. All the rust and all that. You can see that. The lines underneath here. Strange, just those 2 tubes. The best paint I found for stuff like that, painting the chassis and that of the truck, is this Rust-Oleum bed coating. It covers well, and it doesn't seem to fall off like those other cheap brands. All right, we got it all painted up, so you can tell the tube nice and shiny, and hopefully that'll do the job to keep it from rusting more. I hope so. So here it all is, up underneath there. Might be a couple beers here.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.